In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your videos to YouTube and how to tweak the settings to maximize your opportunities for more views and engagement right now. What's up, YouTube universe? I hope that you are having a great day so far. If you are here for the first time, welcome. Please subscribe and tap on the notification button. I'm Brad, and my passion is to provide tips and inspiration for new content creators on YouTube so that you can organically increase your channel views and engagement. Watch this video all the way to the end because I will be teaching you some step-by-step ways on how to upload your videos to YouTube and the rationale on which settings to choose. You're going to want to grab a pen and a piece of paper to take some notes or rewind and replay what you need.
The first thing you would need to do is go into your Creator Studio. Click on your profile photo. Next, you would click on the upload button here, and you could either drag and drop or you can choose the file from your browser. What's nice about uploading videos to YouTube is add in your details, your elements, and visibility while the upload is in progress. The title I have already chosen is going to be What Counts and Doesn't Count as a View on YouTube. If you notice, I have my title in all caps, so this way when a user is browsing through suggested, recommended, or search, this should pop out to them. Next, I'm going to choose my description, which I've already pre-formatted. So I'm just going to copy and paste it from here. But these other description texts are pre-generated. In your settings in Creator Studio, you can set these all up. Next, I'm going to choose my thumbnail. I've already designed a thumbnail, so I'm going to add that. My thumbnail style is holding a phone with my photo on the phone in an expressive face. No more than 2, 3, or 4 words, and I have my current logo on there as well. There's not a lot going on. The purpose is to grab attention. Some people thumbnails, they have words on the sides. It's all about what works for you. Look at your analytics, see how your click-through rate is. A healthy click-through rate is between 5 to 15%. The thumbnail, your title, has an effect on your click-through rate. Next, I'm going to choose the playlist I would like this video to go in. Next, the audience. This portion I don't adjust. It's automatically set at no, it is not made for kids. Although my content doesn't have anything that's suggestive, foul language, or anything like that that kids cannot watch, by choosing yes, this is made for kids, it's more like preschool, grade school programming. You can't comment and you can't add those videos to your own personal playlist. Age restriction is a little bit more advanced. This is to restrict your videos for viewers over the age of 18. This is more for the explicit things that children should not be exposed to. That's where you would choose this option if those are the type of videos that you upload. More options is where you would select if your video has a paid promotion. Tags is important so that when users enter a search, they will be able to find your video. My title may not necessarily be what someone is searching for, but what's in my description might be something that someone is searching for, or maybe in my video something was discussed that someone is searching for, but it's not mentioned in the title or description. So tags is the perfect place to add that. I have a few here that I've already generated using my favorite platform to assist me with figuring out the best tags. I will do a video about the platforms that I use to choose my tags. As you can see, there's a maximum number of characters that you can use. I'm almost at the max, so I would suggest you max it out. It doesn't hurt. Next, your closed captions, subtitles, and language. My video language is English. There's no caption certification, and I have the option of uploading subtitles. Next is the recording date. I like to choose the date that I've recorded the video, just for me to, if I ever wanted to go back. Location I do not choose, just for privacy. The license would be a standard YouTube license. There's also the option for Creative Commons if you want your videos to not have any copyrights. Allow embedding is important so people can add your video to their website and they'll be able to watch your video directly in that website or blog or web page without having to exit the website. A lot of people, when they decide to add your video to their website, maybe it's something that you said in your video or something that's very helpful to them, to what they're doing, and they want to embed your video to their website. This will definitely help with your views and your recommended and your suggestion. And it'll help them because you're adding value to their website. But at the same time, they don't want their users to exit that website. So embedding is a great way for them to share your content and at the same time have the viewers stay on that website. The category is education. There's other category options depending on the type of videos that you produce. Comments and ratings, I would encourage you to choose whole potentially inappropriate comments for review just in case people are using foul language or anything like that. At the same time, you don't want to censor too. You can either sort by the top comments, that means the comments that gets the most likes, or you can do it simply by newest comments. It's important to choose show how many viewers like and dislike this video. It's important for the analytics that your videos is having that engagement. Step 2 is video elements, but this does not become available until after the upload is complete and the processing has been completed. So after, I will come back here and I will show you how I add my end screen. With visibility, it allows you to upload your videos to YouTube in different ways. Maybe you just want to upload your videos to YouTube as a place to save your video files as a backup source, and you want to keep them private just for you. That's fine. You can also do unlisted. This works great for home movies. Maybe you just want to share those videos with a select group of people in your family, and you don't want those videos to go out into the public. You can share your link. Your video won't be able to be found in search, but if someone adds your video to a playlist of their own on their YouTube, and that playlist is public, then anyone doing a search using any of the titles, tags, or description may find your video, although it's unlisted. Public is simply adding your video to the public so everyone can see it. An instant premiere, you can have this video uploaded and choose a date in the future, let's say 2 days from now. All of your subscribers will be notified, suggested, recommended. All of those engines will come into play. So this way, when someone clicks on it, they'll see, okay, this video is going to air in 2 days. It builds up excitement for that video. Schedule is the day you want your video to go public. Maybe you upload videos every Mondays and Fridays, for example. You're going away, you're on vacation. This way, it allows you to upload and prepare everything today to schedule it for the day that you normally upload videos. So now that the video has finished uploaded and processing, I can go ahead and add my end screens. I'm going to click on add, and the one that I like is from my last video. This one has my subscribe button, the next video that's best for the viewer, and my playlist that I'd like to recommend. And I have it set up at the last 20 seconds of the video. So I'm going to click on save. Next is my cards. So cards allow you to add other videos to that YouTube video. When that viewer is watching your video, they will see a little info button pop up right here, and they'll be able to watch other videos in your library. And I'm going to click create card, and then you can move that card to where you want it to be. You may have mentioned in this current video to go ahead and click on the info card button to see another video that's related or anything that you may have mentioned. I'm going to add one more card. You can add up to 5 cards. This one is going to be get free views. I'm going to drop that around there. What's nice about it, you can move it and play it to see what it looks like. And there it is. I'm going to click on return to YouTube Studio because I'm satisfied with where my cards are. I'm clicking on next and publish. So now this video is going to go out to everyone that is subscribed with their notifications turned on. And from here, I have a link that I can copy and I can go ahead and promote my video on Facebook and other social media platforms.
I'm confident that the knowledge learned in this video that you will be able to effortlessly and easily upload your videos to YouTube. If you like this video, please subscribe, tap on the notification button, like, comment, and share. Remember, you are only as good as your last video, so for every new video that you produce should be better than the one before it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.